Hi everyone, welcome to Being Classy. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to share your screen or to push out a file, PDF, PowerPoint, picture to your students in the chat. In order to share your screen, maybe you have a Google Slides presentation or a PowerPoint or an image that you'd like to share with them. You're going to go ahead and navigate down here to the share screen. Once you click on that, any application that you have open on your computer will show up as an option here. So I can either share my entire desktop, which I don't usually opt to do, or I can just share an application. So for this purpose, I would like to share this Google Slides with my class. So I'm going to go ahead and click here and share the screen. This is now what all participants are viewing, so I can go ahead and present these slides. And if you want to share a file that's on your computer, you're going to want to go ahead and navigate over here to chat if you don't already have that open. Once you open up the chat, you can go ahead and push out a file by clicking File here and finding that file on your computer. If you have participants in your room, you can choose to send it to one participant or multiple participants. So I'm going to go ahead and push that out here, and that's a PDF file that all participants in my room received. Now, if they were not in the room when you push this out, they will not receive that file. So if you try to push it out before anyone joins, or if some students are not in the room when you share it, you'll have to reshare it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to check out our other videos. Let's stay positive, pursue the moment, and help somebody.